Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the use of ICT and role of ICT in English teaching. As we are seeing here, ICT, Information and Communication Technology. So, the use of information and communication technology in English language we will discuss today. And here you are seeing there are so many areas and fields where it is used. So we will discuss about the English language, the role of ICT in teaching learning process. So as I shown you first slide, the full form of ICT, information and communication technology. Information communication technology, it adds a new dimension in all spheres, including with the teaching learning process of English language. ICT tools and approaches are being used widely due to their convenience, omnipresence, effectiveness and being economic. So it is very convenient to present in the class, to present in the language lab, and it is omnipresence, and ICT tools are effectiveness, so that it is very useful for the teaching learning of English language. ICT enables learning more personalized, more flexible and more varied. There are so many variation we will get in ICT tools. This is some I told you. I have written here and going to describe here some of these approaches and facilities and tools of ICT are here. CAI, computer assisted learning. CALA, computer assisted language assessment. CALI, computer assisted language instruction. CALL, computer assisted language learning, and MALL, mobile assisted language learning, and TELL, technology enhanced language learning. So these are some approaches and facilities with which English language can be improved and imbibed. Now the ICT tools used in English language teaching. Here we have all of you are already familiar, but we have described here some ICT tools which are nowadays using in English language teaching. The first is computers. As we know, computer is helpful in storing all the things we can store in computers, and in preparing collection and preparing of data for communication we can store in the computer. So computers are very useful to enhance the English language. Next, ICT tool is helpful in the development of listening and speaking skills, because we listen all the things whatever is coming in the computer, and we learn speaking with the help of that listening skill, and it is helpful in English language speaking more and more, because again and again we listen more and more, and then we are able to frame the simple sentence, and pronunciation we improve with the help of this tool, and listening skills also. Next one, OHP, overhead projector. As we know, with the help of OHP we can show the students all the things, and students see the picture, and with the help of slide the teacher explain all the things, and OHP is very fruitful to teach the English language. Next one is LinguaPhone. Now LinguaPhone is especially useful in the ट्रेनिंग ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. इसमें क्योंकि LinguaPhone में बच्चा बार बार सुनता है और फिर सुन करके वो स्पीकिंग स्किल्स को एनहेंस करता है. रेडियो इज आल्सो वेरी यूजफुल टूल because in the urban areas, not only in urban areas but in rural areas, radio is a very effective tool, because in the where the television and computers and net is not available. So with the help of radio, the students can listen all the things, and they can, with the listenings, they also improve their comprehension and speaking skill. And next one, television. We all of we familiar. Many distance and open universities right now are running their educational programs on television. जैसे IGNOU, इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर एग्जांपल, मौलाना आज़ाद नेशनल उर्दू यूनिवर्सिटी. These some universities who was running distance and open educational programs. So with the help of television, you can get. It is very important tool of audio video conferencing, and live telecast of training and discussion are done through this. And next one, internet. Internet has made the communication facility very fast right now. It is very convenient. We are sitting in India, and with the help of internet we can communicate our views in all over the world. So in global age, internet very effective for the communication. It is very economic also, and very attractive, feasible. So it is very useful. Next one we are seeing here, use of ICT for English teacher. ICT का यूज इंग्लिश टीचर के लिए कितना यूजफुल है और कैसे वो यूज करता है. सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट. द टीचर कैन do various certification programs in English language teaching run by the famous educational institutions like Cambridge University and other university professional. He can enhance his professional degrees, certificate course and other qualities with the help of ICT. Next one, the teacher can increase his domain of knowledge English language with the help of e-journals, magazines, e-library that can be achieved only through the use of ICT. Teacher can also participate in discussion and conference with the experts of his English language teaching to improve his knowledge and skills in ECT, ELT, English language teaching. And so in this way, ICT helps a teacher to learn innovative methods of teaching. The teacher can use very innovative methods according to his interest in teaching English. ICT helps a teacher to guide his students about the English language learning materials available in internet, in e-books, e-journals, e-magazines, social sites like LinkedIn, which are helpful in better learning of English language skills. In class, it is not necessary that teacher can explain everything, so that he can guide the students that you go in this site and search the matter, and you can get the material in this site. And he can guide for e-books, he can guide for e-journals, he can guide for e-magazines. So with the help of ICT, the students can improve a lot. ICT also helps in framing curriculum of English language learning. Teachers nowadays, it is the duty of teacher, and it is the responsibility for most responsibility of the teacher to frame the curriculum. So to frame the curriculum according to present scenario, it is useful, and teacher can study curriculum English language literature of different countries to study, and with the help of that he can make better curriculum. So these are some uses of ICT for English. So it is very essential, the use of ICT to improve the English. So with the help of ICT, teacher can guide the students to improve the English. Thank you.